Welcome to This Explainer. Okay, today we are looking at something that is absolutely changing the game for personal finances. I want you to think about the old way of getting a loan. You had to call in, schedule an appointment, physically drive to a branch, sit in those boring waiting areas, and hand over literally piles of physical paperwork. Well, those days are officially behind us. Today, we're breaking down the 2026 Capitec Digital Personal Loan Guide. We're going to look at exactly how securing a loan has been completely transformed into the streamlined, totally digital experience that you can manage right from the palm of your hand.
All right, let's dive right into this. We're going to break our journey today into three simple parts. First up, the digital loan revolution. Then we'll check your eligibility. And finally, we'll walk through the 6-step application process. So part 1, the digital loan revolution. Think about this. The 2026 Capitec app effectively transforms your living room couch into a fully functioning bank branch. And to understand the sheer scale of what you can do from that couch, just look at this number, 500,000 Rand. That is the maximum personalized credit limit you can potentially secure without ever stepping foot outside your front door. It's a massive amount of financial power, and the fact that you can do it all digitally is just remarkable. But it's not just about the amount. It's fundamentally about speed. Approval typically takes just minutes. We're talking no tedious back and forth, no manual reviews holding up your life, and thankfully, no waiting on hold listening to terrible elevator music while you dig around for a physical utility bill. None of that. Once you digitally sign, those funds are available immediately. Moving right along to part 2, checking your eligibility. Now, before we even open the app, we've got to do a little bit of prep work, so I want to ask you directly, are you ready to apply? The Capitec system is amazingly fast, but it is highly regulated. Meeting the criteria set by the National Credit Act is absolutely crucial to get system acceptance, so let's look at exactly what it's checking for. All right, here are the fundamental criteria you absolutely must meet. First, age and citizenship. You've got to be a South African citizen, 18 years or older, with a valid SAID. Second is income security. The system needs to see that you're permanently employed, self-employed, or drawing a stable pension. And third, your financial status. You cannot, under any circumstances, be under debt review, sequestration, or administration. If you check these 3 boxes, you have laid the perfect groundwork to qualify for the loan. Now, what's really interesting here is how your current banking status completely changes what documents you need. If you bank somewhere else, you will need to provide your latest salary slip and an electronic copy of your last 3 consecutive months of bank statements. But if your salary is already paid directly into a Capitec account, the system just assesses your history automatically. That removes the need to upload any documents at all, making the whole process entirely document-free. It is a massive time saver. Bringing us to part 3, the 6-step application process.
You know the revolution, you know the requirements, so here is your actual roadmap. 6 simple steps to take all the anxiety out of the equation. Log in, check your estimate, declare your finances, review offers, verify documents, and finally, accept and sign. Let's explore exactly what happens at each stage.
Step 1 is all about access and navigation. First things first, make sure your smartphone has the latest 2026 version of the Capitec app installed. Open it up and log in securely. You can use your secret remote PIN, your fingerprint, or even facial biometrics. Once you're securely on that main home screen, you simply navigate to Explore or tap My Dashboard, select Credit, and then hit Personal Loan. Moving to Step 2, you are checking your credit estimate to figure out your pre-qualified limits. The app is going to prompt you for 2 vital pieces of info: your desired loan amount, which, remember, can go all the way up to $500,000, and your preferred repayment term. You actually have a ton of flexibility here, choosing a term anywhere from 12 to 84 months. This helps the system start shaping an offer that fits your exact timeline. Step 3 requires you to declare your income and expenses. You'll punch in your gross monthly income, your net salary, and regular living expenses, things like rent, groceries, and any other debt obligations. So the crucial point here is accuracy. The system uses this exact data to run an immediate affordability assessment. Honestly, guessing poorly is the absolute fastest way to trigger a system rejection, so take your time and be really precise. If you pass that affordability assessment, you arrive at Step 4, where you review your personalized credit structures.
This is a real game changer. The app lets you dynamically toggle between different options. You can instantly see how the numbers change if you prioritize the lowest monthly installment versus prioritizing the lowest overall interest rate. Capitec makes the whole shebang totally transparent, clearly displaying the initiation fee and your monthly service fees, so there are literally zero surprises. You are completely in control of finding the perfect fit for your budget.
Step 5 is document verification, and this leaps back beautifully to what we talked about during the eligibility section. If your primary income flows directly into your Capitec Global One account, the system just automatically verifies your statements without you having to lift a finger. If you do bank elsewhere, the app seamlessly guides you through prompts to safely upload or link your digital salary slips and external statements. Either way, the app handles the scenario securely and intuitively. And this brilliantly illustrates how the app handles the fine print in Step 6. You'll review the final details, specifically your credit life insurance. You must carefully read through the pre-agreement statement and the loan contract. The app ensures you understand that this mandatory policy protects both you and the bank before you proceed any further. Once you've reviewed the terms, the interest rates, and those insurance policies, you finish up Step 6 by accepting the agreement. You do this by simply entering your secret remote PIN to digitally sign the contract. This is it, the final binding stage. There's absolutely no physical pen and paper required. The very second that digital signature is verified by your PIN, the contract is executed. And, like we learned earlier, those funds are immediately released right into your account. And just like that, the process is complete. You've navigated the digital revolution, checked your eligibility, and seamlessly breezed through those 6 steps without ever leaving your home. It brings us to one final, pretty exciting thought. The paperwork is gone, the endless waiting in lines is a thing of the past, and the funds are sitting right there in your account. The power is completely in your hands. So, what will you build today? Thank you so much for joining me on this explainer, and I look forward to exploring our next topic with you soon.